Okay, take two. Seat belt, safety first. That's how we roll. Now we got these things in phase. And I have sunflower seeds because I'm awesome. Can go straight, actually.
Straight would be the best place.
Straight.
Okay.
Straight would be good. They're in phase now, so we can actually listen to it.
Turn it up?
Yeah.
I'm just thinking about my baby. I just can't wait to get out, 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 get out.
Boom, 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 boom.
Head unit fail.
So loud that it makes the head unit cut out. Sounds pretty good though. I like it. It's pretty good. Singer alternators for the win. You had to represent here. Mr. Mike Singer.
I just can't wait to get out, 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 get out.
Very, very nice. 215s and a Ford Ranger. Pretty loud. What does this do? 53s?
Yeah, actually 51s.
51s-ish. Almost 52s. We're gonna put me in the freezer.
One baby, we shaking
My Ranger was never this loud. There it is.